Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by aligning your data so Excel can find matches quickly. Make sure the lookup column sits at the left of your table array and your values are the same type, numbers as numbers, text as text. Once that's set, click the cell where you want the result, type equals VLOOKUP, and point to the lookup value. Then, use a comma to move to the table array argument. This starts the function and prepares Excel to search the correct range. Next, you tell Excel where to search and what to return. Highlight the table array, use absolute references such as $1, $2, $D, $100 so formulas copy correctly. Then type a comma and enter the column index number that contains the value you want back. For example, 3 returns the third column in that range. Once done, add another comma and set the match type. Choose false for an exact match, or true when an approximate match is finished by closing the parentheses and pressing enter. Your VLOOKUP will return a value if it finds one. Make sure to copy the formula down using the fill handle so each row looks up its own key. If you get hash and /a, wrap the formula in IFR to display a friendly message. If results still fail, check for extra spaces or numeric versus text mismatches, trim cells and convert types. These small issues cause most VLOOKUP problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.